Hello, this is Mr. Buffington. I thought that maybe I'd do a little bit of math and actually thinking. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put up some math here for you. I'm going to do it properly and correctly. And what I want you to do is to let me know whether you think it's right or not. And if it's not right, I want you to think through how it might actually be wrong. Here's where we'll start. We're going to convert some fractions into decimals. The fraction of 1/3 is the equivalent of 0.33 repeated. Okay, there's infinite number of threes going off into that direction. The next fraction, then, what I'll do is I'll multiply that times 2. Okay? So if I multiply both sides of this equal sign by 2, what I'll end up with is that 2/3 is equal to 0.66 repeated forever. Okay? And you can punch that into the calculator and check this is correct, this work that I've done so far here. I need to write it a little bit bigger for the next one. So what I'm going to do now is extend that one step further. I'm going to take my original fraction of 1/3 and I'm going to multiply that times 3, and I'm going to take my decimal and multiply that by 3. Alright, so I'm doing the same basic thing, multiplying both sides of the equal sign times 3, and what I end up with is that 3/3 is equal to 0.99 repeated infinitely. Or in other words, the fraction of 3/3 here can also be 1. So is 1 actually equal to 0.999 repeated infinitely? That's your question today on Math That Makes You Think.